Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you my latest sewing project. Hello my friends, let's get crafty today. I am going to be making a cute bag. So here I already cut out all the pieces. Yeah, I woke up this morning and decided I want to make a bag. So here it is. So I cut all the pieces and I'm going to iron on the fusible interfacing. After that, I am going to quilt it. So I'm just going to mark it and I'm going to space it by about like 1.5 inches. And for the patterns, I actually just copied a bag that I already own. That's why I'm testing out if my idea will work. If you have some quilt batting, you can add one more layer to make it thick and pretty, but I don't have it. But I plan on getting some batting for my next bag projects. Here are the outside pieces and it looks so nice. Now it's time to work on the lining. I added some pockets on either side. I doubled the fabric for the pockets so it is nice and heavy. Now I am going to add these zipper tabs. I'm gonna stitch it right along here and do the same for the other end. By the way, this sewing project is it's not planned. One day I decided I want to make a bag and I made it happen. So it might not be the right process, but we will figure it out as I go. So if you are looking for a real bag tutorial, this is probably not it because I'm still struggling. I still haven't figured out the zipper and the straps. But if you're just looking for some ideas or you just want to be inspired, then thanks for watching. We are at the 2-minute mark of this tutorial. And thanks for clicking on that thumbnail. I truly appreciate it. So let's get on to sewing. Now I am going to top stitch it right here so the lining will stay on its side. Once you get to the zipper pull, lift up the presser foot, turn the fabric like this and unzip. When I first made the bag, it made me so nervous. Then I realized I can easily do this. So I'm sharing it with you. And look at that, we have a nice clean top stitch. And I will repeat the same thing on the other side. And here it is. I should have put the other piece facing the other side, but no worries, I'm just going to unpick it and stitch it on the correct side because I don't want to undo the beautiful stitching I did earlier. And now I am back on track. Now it's time to add the gusset. So I mark the center of the bag and the center fold of the gusset. And then I am going to match it. I'm just going to put a lot of clips, especially at the curve. When sewing the curved edge, you are just going to take it really slowly and make sure to smooth out all the wrinkles so it doesn't ruin the edge or the corners of the bag. I repeated the same steps with the other side of the bag. I'm going to match it to the gusset and then pin and stitch along the edge. This was a mistake, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway because I just wanna be transparent. So I stitched the lining and I forgot something, and I'm gonna show you what it is in a little bit. So I stitched around it and I also forgot to add the opening. Then I realized I forgot to attach the gusset for the lining. To seam rip it and start over. But it is the same process like what I did to the outside fabric. And be sure to leave an opening so we can turn the fabric right side out, and don't forget to unzip the zipper also because it has to be open or it's going to be difficult to turn it right side out. So I'm going to do it or pull it out very gently because I don't want to rip any seams. And here it is, looking cute. And yeah, but I don't know what to do with this bit. I may I probably made a mistake here, but the bag looks cute, so I decided I am going to move forward and I'm not going to unpick what I did. And here I made a short strap. It's about 12 inches long and it is 4 inches in width, and then I fold it twice and stitch along the edge. Then I'm just going to stitch it right here and on the other side. I also close the lining opening. Yeah, the strap area needs some work, but all in all, I'm happy with this bag. The fabric was a leftover from sewing projects I made last month, and I am just obsessed with the fabric and I have to use all of it. Here is the bag reveal. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed with it. It's so cute. And yeah, it's not perfect, but hey, I love it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!